How to mitigate machine learning bias. Machine learning is becoming more and more important every day, but we need to be careful that our machine learning models are not biased. Hello everyone, my name is Aruna Patam, and in this video, I'm going to show ways we can mitigate bias. You can refer to my previous videos if you want to know more about machine learning bias and how various bias can creep into machine learning. I have provided the link in the comment section. So how do we mitigate machine learning bias? First, have domain-specific knowledge. This is especially important if you are working in a regulated industry like financial services, healthcare, etc. You need to really understand the domain in order to avoid bias. Second, understand data sensitivity. This is important because you need to know which data is too personal or could be used to harm someone. Third, ensure data represents the true population. This is important because if your dataset is not representative of the population, you will get biased results. Fourth, have data annotation standards. This will help to ensure that everyone is annotating data in the same way and there is no bias in the annotation. Fifth, identify all features associated to a target feature. This will help to understand how the bias is creeping in and you can remove those features. Sixth, eliminate features associated with both input and output variables. This is important because if the feature is associated with both input and output variables, it can create bias. 7. Ensure data selection during the training stage does not introduce sample selection bias. This is really important because if your data is skewed, you might be introducing bias. And finally, 8th, ensure model validation is not restricted to a subset of data. This is important because if you only validate your model on a subset of data, you might be introducing more bias. So these are some of the ways we can mitigate machine learning bias. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.